Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 34 Columbia Avenue. This property gives you 3 bedrooms, a 20-foot lounge dining space, modern fitted kitchen, insulated log cabin, and a very large plot here with further potential to extend, of course subject to all relevant planning permissions. To the front you've got ample off-road parking and a fantastic detached garage. Coming through from the hallway, you've got that beautiful lounge to the front there, opening through from the dining area and then into a modern fitted kitchen with a range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods. Coming further along in the internal hallway, on the right hand side here we've got the main family bathroom there, beautiful and modern, and then on from there we've got 3 brilliant bedrooms. First of which there, wonderful double-sized room with fitted wardrobes. Second, again, lovely double-sized room, again with plenty of room for further storage. And bedroom number 3 here, a wonderful size with the access through into a very convenient conservatory space looking over the rear garden, so perhaps another reception room. So again, this is number 34 Columbia Avenue, a fantastic bungalow with 3 bedrooms, 20-foot lounge diner, modern fitted kitchen, insulated log cabin, which we're taking a look at now, and a large plot with further potential to extend, subject to relevant planning permissions, and off-road parking's offered to the front with the detached garage. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.